Okay guys, so today we're going to do a video called I made a Roblox game without using my brain, and we're going to see how he did it. And here we go.
I made this Roblox game without using my brain. Let me explain. Creating games requires knowledge, which I don't have.
It does require a lot of knowledge and a lot of brains to make a game, because you have to know the script, know your plan, and how you're going to build the game with models, and know how to make the game successful with titles, thumbnails, and all that stuff.
But I still want to make a good game. So how am I going to do that? Assistant, it's a new tool on Roblox which scripts games for you, and by the end of this video, I will try to make a good game, only using this tool.
I did not know that script existed. I did not know that tool even existed, so I gotta use him then.
So what is the game that I'm going to make? Well, I just got home from a run, and the only thing that I can think of is running. So I'm going to make a speed simulator. I asked the assistant, what do I need to do to make a speed simulator?
Well, a script, and then see, like a place, and then that's really it.
The bot responded with a bunch of crap. Yeah, this won't work. I decided to straight up ask the assistant to write me a script that increases the player's speed every second, and now it actually responded. So what this assistant did is it created a local script that increases my speed.
Oh, I didn't know they would actually create your script that works
By 1 every single second, and as you can see, I'm getting faster and faster. But since this is a local script, I cannot create a leader stats value that displays.
Well, that's what the tool created you. You didn't really get like an accurate script of what you asked for. That's what you created, so that's what it gave you.
How many speed you have, so I will ask the assistant to make a server-sided script that gives you walk speed. This time the response was quite good.
Because you asked the question and it gave you what you wanted.
The assistant made a whole new script and deleted the old one for me. Like I said, I don't have to use my brain at all. Okay, so from the looks of it, the assistant made 2 scripts, one for the server and other for the client. On the server, it creates the leaders
because it gave you the script as you asked it for.
Stats and also updates the speed. And on the client, for some reason, it's empty, and I'll get rid of it since I don't need it. Okay, I know, in the challenge I said that I won't use my brain, but I do need to use it for a split second, because I don't think the assistant will be able to do this. I need to also increase the walk speed of the player.
So you do know a little bit of script then, because it seems you did it and now you know how to do a little bit of scripting.
Okay, so now my walk speed is correct, and it also
and it worked.
Displays on the leader stats. Now I want to ask the assistant to make a billboard UI which displays how much speed you have. I will start by making the billboard UI.
So you're making a billboard to display how much speed you have.
By template. I added a frame and 2 labels, one for the speed value and other for the player's name.
Oh, so it'll be on top of your thing, updated consistently when you're walking. Oh, that is a cool feature.
Then I asked the assistant to create me a script for that, and let's see if it works. So here is the script that the assistant wrote, and
I didn't even, I never used that because I've never thought AI or any, thing would work. But I might have to test that out if it actually works a lot.
Can say
or, works.
It could be more optimized. Instead of using a while true do loop, the assistant could have just checked when the speed value changes and then update the text. Also, there's an issue in this code. On this line,
well, AI and assistants can mess up, so it's not always going to be accurate when you're making scripts or anything that you ask it to do.
Right here, it will error, because this function is called when the player is added and the player's character won't be loaded yet, so it'll error. There are two ways that I can fix this. One is by defining the character, so local character equals player.character, and the other method is to just do player.character added and create a function right here and then call it. It works. I got 33 speed and it constantly updates the text and also has my name on the text label.
Alright, let's see.
Up, I made a new button and its purpose is to give you more speed every time you click on it. I asked the assistant to make the button appear in random positions.
Oh, so you're asking it to make like random buttons on the screen to get more speed then after like 2 minutes or something?
On the screen, but something unexpected happened. It looks like the assistant broke for me. Sadly, I can't finish this game. You really thought I would give up. You clearly don't know me well.
I do know you. I knew you wouldn't give up, obviously.
I restarted my studio and it was working again, and I got a proper response. Hold up, this actually works. Let's go. I underestimated the assistant. As you can see, I'm gaining speed and the button is generating in random positions. It's a little bit off screen though.
I mean, but it works. At least you can say it works. It doesn't matter if it's off screen or not. It works for you.
So I'll ask the assistant to add a margin. Damn, I'm pretty fast right now. This was me back in middle school. Anyways, I'll ask the assistant to add a label that displays how much speed you gained, because I have no clue if I'm getting the 3x speed or 1x speed. I asked it if it could make me a new function in the click button script that clones the template I made in a random location.
Ah, so you're asking it to make you a template local script. So it's gonna give you another like more based like script for your like text or something.
And also animates it.
Ah, that's what it is. Animate it.
Let's see if this works. If the assistant is correct, I should see a text button, and yup, there it is. Every time I click.
Oh, so it will pop up like, let's say if you get like a 3 times chance, it'll say 3 times speed. Yeah, 2 times it'll say 2 times, 1 time it'll say 1 time. Nice.
It displays how much speed I got. I also asked the AI to add a margin where these UI elements cannot spawn, but it looks like it doesn't care, or it just doesn't have enough knowledge on how to do it. But now I want to try to ask the AI to implement a data store system because I want to save the speed value. I will be surprised if the assistant can script a data store. I got a response, but it doesn't look promising. First of all, why the data is being saved every 60 seconds when you can just save it when the player leaves? Also, in the script, the values are only saved and not loaded in when the player joins, so I guess this assistant is too dumb for the
It's a work in progress, so hopefully it's like beta, because it'll probably get fixed within maybe a couple days or so. Well, if Roblox ain't fixing that, then I guess it'll just stay as dumb.
data stores. Let's see if it can script a zone system. I created 2 very simple zones, Overworld and Moon, and asked the bot if it can create me a new system where a player has to unlock a new zone, and then he can travel to it using a portal. I got a response, but will it work? What is this AI onto? There isn't even an event called player character added. It's only character added. That's crazy. I let the assistant know the issue and it fixed it, so
Exactly, just read the script first, then you ask it and it'll fix it for you. That's how AI works, really.
now it should work, right?
Depends on if they gave you a good script.
Okay, let me get 100 speed real quick. I need to test out if this portal works.
And he did a time lapse of you getting to 100. I mean, it seems the script's working for you, so at least it actually got your scripts correct.
Okay, I got 100 speed right now, and if I go ahead and touch the portal, nothing happens. And I already knew that was going to happen. This is where the assistant messed up. As you can see, it's trying to find the current zone by looking in the zones folder for character.parent.name. This is equal to the workspace, and it'll just break the whole code, and it won't work. In conclusion, the assistant is not a tool that you would use to create a good game. It's more of a learning book if you're starting out, but it's still crazy to think that this tool can create and delete scripts for you. Imagine what it will be able to do in the future.
It would be able to make you a fully functional game.
However, humans are still smarter, so let's not worry about AI taking over the world. Anyways, don't forget to...
I would say AI is only used if you need a little bit of help in something. Like, let's say a Roblox game, for example, you can use the assistant tool, but only use it for a specific, like, script that you don't know how to code. Use it for, like, a script that, like I say, you don't know how to code, and then it'll give you it. But if you know how to code scripts, then you don't need to use it. Like, that's really what it should be. Like, it'd be that simple for you. So, just, like, don't trust AI yet. Trust it if it actually is accurate with scripts and smartness of things. And that's really it. So, let me know what your thoughts on AI are. If you think AI is good right now, tell me in the comments, would you use AI for a Roblox game? And I'll catch you on the next one, and peace.